And what do you think about the trends in 2026 in e-commerce this year?
It's a good question. I mean, every brand is different, but what I see is a lot of brands are going off Amazon because of the fees. Like, I think Amazon fees are ridiculous. 45 to 47 different type of fees. Especially last year, Amazon launched placement fee, which is a big chunk of the supply chain money that goes to Amazon from the seller's pocket. Amazon is not 100% reimburse the money that they automatically claim. So many things are happening, and then trends are people are looking for TikTok shop, which we know that logistics news is not that great with TikTok. They come up with a new rule. And I thought it was
what really happened with TikTok?
So TikTok actually announced that you have to use their own fulfillment centers, and they don't even let anymore Amazon multi-channel fulfillment to fulfill, or you cannot use your own 3PL, which was a ridiculous idea because TikTok does not have centralized solution. It means that you need to use their third-party partners, but it's not centralized. It means that you have inventory in 4 or 5 different locations. TikTok software built in gonna display your inventory in different locations, but their WMS is not connected. It means that technically you have inventory in different places, but you don't have the full visibility.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.